Hi, Helen here from Villa Andalusia, bed and breakfast in Competa, Malaga, Spain, a nice little village up in the mountains. I've been running the bed and breakfast for 15 years, and originally it was sort of a hobby, as I still felt I was too young to retire. During that time, Competa has become quite a busy little village, and loads of other bed and breakfasts and service accommodations have come to arise. So I needed to not just sit back and wait for bookings to come in, or rely on booking.com. Don't get me wrong, booking.com, you can make it work for yourselves. It's better to have 85% of something than nothing. I have been with other coaching companies in the past, which have cost me an absolute fortune. And yes, I did learn things. Then I came across Mark and his lovely hospitality community. And I thought, yeah, this is going to work for me. So I took the plunge, even though I hadn't got any spare cash. I thought I'd give it a go. And within doing my first couple of emails with Mark, bookings started to come in. I like the way he works. He's very down to earth. You can call him anytime and you get a proper answer off him. So if you haven't taken the plunge yet, do so now. Honestly, it's well worth it. And so cheap as well. Mark, you do a great job, and I'm really glad that I've joined.